Welcome to another video. I'm Manchu from tradingwithmanchu.com. So today we're going to talk about Bitcoin forking. Okay, so there is a lot of rumors. You must be hearing a lot of things about what is going to happen with the Bitcoin. I heard that there is something is going on with the Bitcoin, and it's going to split up, and there would be a volatility coming up. So, and I don't know what to do. And for those guys who don't understand technically but pretty much interested in Bitcoin's technology and the crypto coins, well, guys, I just want to tell you, you got nothing to worry about. Okay, so this is one of the event that just getting updated. Okay, just getting upgraded. All right, so basically, there is a debate between Bitcoin developers and the Bitcoin miners. Okay, so Bitcoin miners, um, they are arguing with the soft fork. Okay, which just mean we don't need a major upgrade on the Bitcoin. We just need a soft upgrade and soft forking so that we can just continue with the existing Bitcoin. But the developer wants to upgrade it, so that the Bitcoin transaction gets smoother and we can have a lower transactions fees. Okay, so like let's not get into so much into this, guys, because I want to make this video as short as possible. Okay, I just want to tell you that so what is exactly forking and what is the the future for the Bitcoin. So as you can see on my screen right now, the hard fork is going to happen on the Bitcoin network in 16 hours. So somewhere around 1 p.m. GMT in the London time. So let's see, what are the things we're going to cover up, and what are the things going to happen, and we're going to see the chart, and we're going to see the market cap before the event. So here, guys, I just want to give you some idea about forking. Okay, so there are two kind of forking. So the first one is hard fork, and second one is soft fork. As you guys said, as you guys know that so Bitcoin is now running as a currency. You can transfer from one person to another person, and it's really getting famous around the world, and people are started using it. Okay, so there are some people who are mining it. So those people are the one who is actually keeping the ledger of those transactions, so they get paid as a reward as a Bitcoin. Okay, and the users, actually we are the one, like we buy in the market, we sell in the market, we use it for many other transactions, buying things, selling things. So we are the users who is using the Bitcoins. So it's just that due to a lot of transaction happening around the world, so there is a Bitcoin transaction time is getting increased, and it's taking a much of time to get the transaction approved, and there are many pending transactions, and also the cost of the transaction fee is getting higher and higher. Okay, so developer don't want that. So if the Bitcoin technology, the blockchain technology really wants to exist, so they want to make sure it is actually faster and the lower cost. So it's just that these two people are debating so that they can make the Bitcoin Lightning faster and the much lower fees. So this is about the forking, guys. So let's see what's going to happen after 16 hours, and I would suggest you guys do not buy or sell Bitcoins at this time, because once the this forking takes place, the segwit activates. So it's gonna take, I think, a couple of days to get this thing solved. And as you can see, the update has to be done on the all the blocks. Okay, so this is the BIP 141 segregated witness, so it is 100% locked in, so it has to get activated. And the segwit intentions, it is actually at 87%, so which is going to be locked and going to get activated in 16 hours. So So that is the update which is going to take place in the crypto space. Okay, so let's talk about the chart right now. Let's go to Bitcoin versus US dollars. As you can see, we have a pretty complicated chart right now. Okay, so if you look at the chart, you can see like the market is actually pushing the price from the low and dumping it from the top where you have the resistance. So you can say there is a pump and dump situations going on right now. So but look at the present market with the couple of days data here. So as you can see, guys, the market is actually holding the support, the bounce back from the recent sell-off, and now it is just trying to try and test this resistance. So all I can see is, guys, is the market hasn't break the topmost resistance from the previous high. Okay, you can see this high was made in the month of April or May, maybe, and maybe yeah, in the month of May or June. So since that, the market has not broke this resistance, and now there is a try, because see, anything can happen when the segwit activates, guys. And what we're gonna look at it, we're not gonna trade, but we're gonna look at how the market is gonna react. So if the market breaks this resistance, so very powerful resistance for the Bitcoin world right now, breaks it like with the push of big volume, and after a couple of days, after the dust settles down, and if it comes down and consolidate around here, so I think we should be, the Bitcoin will take the next move and it's continue moving upward. Okay, but there are two things happening right now. So once the Bitcoin SegWit forking activates, so there will be a two coins, guys. The one would be a Bitcoin, the usual Bitcoin. The other coin will be Bitcoin Cash. Okay, so Bitcoin Cash will not value the price of the Bitcoin chart what we are looking at. So that coin will have another price of itself. Okay, so we are not sure what it's going to be worth, because all these miners who are arguing to have the soft forking update, so they want to have the Bitcoin Cash so that they can continue with the Bitcoin Cash, just the way it happened with Ethereum. So when the Ethereum split up, so there was the basic Ethereum, there was a classic Ethereum, the old one, and the new Ethereum. But you can see the different prices for both of them. But there are many, exchanges are actually supporting Bitcoin Cash, and some wallets and some companies are supporting Bitcoin, the usual Bitcoin what we have. But that's the reason, we shouldn't be just uh, looking into it much. We shouldn't be looking for the trading much on this. So let's look at them. Let's see what's going to happen. So we're going to have all this information coming up in 16 to 18 hours. So we'll see what's going to take place. And when you let's look at the market cap. So Bitcoin still holds the $46 billion money, the market cap into it. The volume is still strong and still showing the strength. So and still at the number one, guys. See, like the Bitcoin is actually made to resist all kind of all kind of you can say attacks. Okay, so it's a self-sustainable coin. I'm talking about all the currencies, all the cryptocurrencies. So they're self-sustainable. So they have been getting attacked, but they're still able to move up. And there is a lot of good thing coming up for the crypto market. So for the blockchain technology, and I think it's gonna increase more, and we're gonna see a lot of major coins like Ethereum, Ripple's, Litecoin, Dash, and the EOS, one of my favorite. So these coins will be coming up in the market with the new updates, with the new technology, which will help the future of our world. So that's it, guys. So we're gonna have to wait for this update now. So let's see what's going to happen. I just wanted to update you guys, and if you have any questions, please comment in the comment sections, and please like and subscribe this video so that I can make more of this video. And please comment what do you want to know, what else you want to know, so that I can make a video on that. So if you, and also if you want to know about the forex, I do trade forex. So if you want to subscribe to my forex, I have the link in the description. I have a Telegram channel for free, and I have Telegram channel for paid service. I have a website, so go to my website, subscribe it to have the proper exit and entries. So until then, guys, I wish you good luck and have a great day. Bye bye.